Let's continue making dimension drawings of our cams. So for this one we're going to be down here, and again we want to make sure that our configuration variables are correct and that our volume matches what it's supposed to. And let's go ahead and do that. So I can press F to get it to fit a little better. So right click, create drawing, size A inch, and it comes in again at 1:1 scale. So we'll left click there, place the front view, and then the derived view will be the right view, and then I will put the isometric view up here and shaded view here, and we will put the hidden lines on the right view. We would put it on the front, but there are no hidden lines, so we can avoid that. Let's go ahead and put these center lines at the center here, like so. And the way we're going to use that is we're going to go from the top down to that center line and document that distance. And we're also going to put the thickness here. It should be 1/4 inch, or THK, which is the variable we're using. And then we have that information, and let's put the, this is getting repetitive. We could maybe have a note on these saying that the hole in the center is a square of a certain side length. But let's go ahead and just kind of keep it doing it explicitly like this. Now, if you have a dimension like this and you want to flip the location of the number, you can click this tan diamond at the corner there, and that'll look like that. I think that should do it. And that should be enough. We might need to write a note, something like all in caps, regular hexagon, just to make sure we know what that is. Regular, or yeah, regular hexagon. Okay, I think we've got all the details there in the hex cam. Let's go. Whoops. Let's go to the pear. Here's the pear. I can press F to make it fit. Right click, create a drawing, and it's going to be inch, size A, and it's coming in at 1:2. So maybe it's a little bigger. Let's see how it looks like at 1:1. So that's pretty big, but let's do that. Let's put it in at 1:1. So we'll come over here and then here, and we can come over here for the isometric. Now that's really big. So what we can do for the isometric, since it is not directly derived from the front, we can double click on it and we can change the scale, maybe to 1:2, make it a little smaller. Right click, show shaded view. So we know what it looks like. We're just going to keep that tucked away in the corner. And here we're going to go ahead and put the dimensions on there. So this is show the hidden lines on the side. And again, I'm not showing the hidden lines on the front because there are none, so let me explicitly do that, and you can see it doesn't change. All right, there's a new tool we want to use here. It's called center mark. So if I click there and click on the two radii that define this thing, what that'll do is it'll put the center of that radius on the drawing, and we can then dimension to that, as you'll see in a minute. So this is the radius of the upper one, radius of the lower one, and the offset is from that center, which appears because we use the right up here, the center mark, to get that to be that value. Let's not forget the thickness, which is right here. And finally, we need to take care of the center, so we'll do it over here in the left-hand corner. Say from here to here, we'll do that, and from here to here, we'll do that. I don't think we'll do that because I got the wrong piece. So what you should do, I'm doing a Control Z, it's not there. Let me escape and do a Control Z. There we go. You really should zoom up so there's no question what you're grabbing. So I'm going to grab each side of the hole and then zoom out with the scroll wheel and document it right there. So, all right, that is the Pear. Let's do the Snail. So here it is. We've got our configuration variable set to the right values. So right click, create a drawing, size A inch, and it comes in at 1 to 1. Okay, we'll take that. So I'll click here, and I'll click over here. I don't think I need a top, but let's just see what it looks like. I'll put the standard 4 views there. So the isometric will show the shaded view, and on the right view will show the hidden lines. There we go. And on this one, I'll wait to decide whether we need that or not. So let's come over here and let's see if we take center mark and we touch this arc. Is that useful? That's probably not useful. But I know we do want to have the center lines here, like so. Okay, let's do that. And oh, I may have forgotten these and a few other ones. So you need to have that center line in there. And okay, press D to go to the dimension tool. We'll go to here. And here, let's go. I think in our drawings, right, we have this distance here from here to this point, like so. And we also have from the center to the maximum radius, like so. Let's do that. And let's see, how are we going to describe this curve? While we're thinking about that, let's zoom up and document the dimensions of the hole. Maybe we'll go there and zoom up again so it's not hard to grab stuff. And back out. Whoops. Looks like I lost it. Press escape and then pull out here. Say like that. Okay. And I don't think we're going to use this one, so I'll delete it. And then what else do we need? We know we start here where this distance is 1/4 of the original diameter. And I think, let's see. Let's go ahead and dimension these arcs. You'll remember when we made these, we put these arcs in there. Go ahead and do that. And I'm going to think about a better way to dimension this one. I'm not quite sure on that one. So we'll revisit this one possibly. But for now, let's document it like that. And we'll call it a day. Thanks for watching.